Hi guys, it's Alissa Todd. I'm a financial advisor and this week's money tip is about stock options. So I'll go over what they are and some tips to keep in mind when managing your stock options. So stock options are offered by some companies as an employee benefit and an incentive to stay with the company for longer. They allow you to purchase the company's stock at a set price for a period of time. You can be required to hold on to the stock for a length of time before you can sell it. If you have been given the opportunity to purchase stock options, you may want to take advantage of it if you can afford to do so. But don't go into debt to purchase stock options. And here are 2 tips to keep in mind when managing your own stock options. 1, check the vesting schedule, which is usually between 2 to 5 years. The vesting schedule tells you how long you need to stay with the company to be fully vested and have complete ownership of your stock options. 2, if you have accumulated a lot of stock options, it may be time to sell and diversify, especially if they represent a large percentage of your overall portfolio. So consult with a financial advisor and a CPA to discuss potential tax consequences and identify the most tax-efficient strategy. Plans can vary and have different details. So if you have any questions about your company's stock option plan, do send me a message. And for more information about myself or my team, go on over to our website. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so you can keep up to date with all the weekly money tips coming.